eCalendar app daily planner. So this app skyrocketed to the top charts of apps these holidays. Let's take a look why. So you can just create all of these reminders. All right. So this is just an overview. Family collaborator. So you can create like a nice calendars between family. Multi-view calendar, shared schedule, zero communication costs, visualize tasks, custom rewards. So it can be a good app, kind of shared calendar app, especially when your family gets together or friends family gets together for holidays, for some trip where you need to plan tasks which are just organized across multiple people. So it can be hard to do just with the standard Google Calendar or iCloud Calendar in here. So then you just need basically to start and then just enter your email. So that's how you get started. So here you have device, organize the family and share photos, or digital alarm clock. So here you have it. And then you just can confirm, and then you can just create unique address. So just an example, and then this is just where you bought it, and then you can just set up the sync, and then just have this eCalendar device, yeah, in here. So that's kind of the idea. So that was a popular gift this year during holidays, and then you can just start syncing device and add photos, add activities, and that's kind of, you see, you tap on it, you just tap on calendar, create events, create tasks, create rewards, meals, greeting cards. So that's the idea.